Hello again and welcome back to this tutorial on how to use Libby to borrow ebooks through our e-catalog. This is part 2 of a 3-part video series where in part 1 we showed you how to install and set up your library card. And in part 2 we will show you how to explore and navigate through our e-catalog. So we will continue from there. So in our e-catalog you will see it will suggest books, what's new, what's popular, and what's available. If you'd like, go ahead and explore on your own. If you have something in mind already, search for a book or an audiobook in the search bar located at the very top. For example, I'll search for Douglas Adams' The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. You can see it will immediately suggest titles or a series. Tap on any of these searches to see if it's available in our collection. If it can't find your search results, make sure you have the correct spelling and try again. If not, unfortunately, it means we do not own it. You won't find every title in our print collection in our ebook collection, but we are constantly adding new titles. On each title, you'll see some information like if this title is an audiobook by looking for this symbol here. Otherwise, it would be an ebook. We are allowed to lend only a certain amount of copies per title, so this one's currently not available, but it does give the option to place a hold. You can tap on the cover art to show you more detailed information. But probably the most important info is on the right hand side, the icon of a small calendar. If you tap on this, it will show you how many copies are in use, how many patrons are on hold, and an estimate of how long you would wait for a copy if you were to place a hold. If I want to place a hold on this item, tap on the place hold button and place hold again on your preferred library card. It will notify you when it's available to download through email associated with your library card account. To go back to our catalog, tap on the top left arrow and tap on the library tab at the bottom left of your screen. The Explore page here can let you browse by many different categories like the one shown on my screen. Here I'll browse by subjects and I'll select fiction. Immediately you will notice two options: Preferences and Refine. On the Refine option, you can change the format to either audiobooks or books, language, audience, availability, or you can sort by popularity, relevance, or so on. This will only apply the changes once on the current fiction subject. On the Preferences tab, you can see the same options as the Refine section, but it will apply this on all future searches. If you want to see what's available now, you can do so by changing the availability to Available Now. And make sure to tap on Apply Preferences. In this search, you'll see the list of available fiction titles you can borrow immediately. If you want to see all titles again, go back to the top till you'll see Preferences and change the availability back to Everything. And that's it for part 2. I hope this part helped you with navigating our e-catalog. In part 3, we will show you how to borrow and play ebooks.